Aqua on President Mahama, UN.
Just
that will be my concluding.
For about 5 minutes.
Yes, that will be my concluding part. I feel say it was a good speech. I mean, it will be neutral, sir. I think the statement from Dr. Amin Anta, Nhyira confusion the former finance minister, no, he applauded the men. I think on Friday, someone bridging up on Joy. He applauded them. And now me can't most of the position was required and NDC media benefit. Poladomo also on good evening Ghana and good morning Ghana. And he also had cause to applaud the president. It was a similar good thing. I'm trying to say all the African leaders, that's what coordinate my speech, you know.
Yeah.
They're all trying to one on top of my head. Get a seat on the UN security. They don't like the veto system where only 5 countries can veto everything at the UN. They were displeased about a Palestine president representative by a man of this among US any idea. No. So it was a good speech. Maybe I come and your board prof Nana Jane these are Ghana. Yeah, go ahead. I first chief vice president or the friend him say UN so being a secretary general or your Bobo Kofi Annan which said applause was there.
Sure.
We are happy. But for me, no me can't say na wa say. The speech is beautiful. But for me, the substance will be that maximum feeling the dividend of some of these speech. That will be one. Baby, I know about reparations. The interman for Besomu Tukwai na Western world the name shut down my visitors as someone shut down fire when I cocoa. Mimi Dre, oh, mamma visitors in Kuyuka.
Yeah.
I see who say, and President Mahama said something about 70 of the world youthful population in 2030, which is just 5 years to go. We'll be in Africa.
Yeah.
Italy has the oldest population in Europe. Italy, on population, we have a youthful population.
Yeah.
Then you not so for any so bulasam. I hope so youthful population. What do? You give them jobs. They be a mekase me say to data or any inquiry.
Yeah.
When you say kill three, I say me be a meka and I'll keep repeating it. 2023 Ghana standards Ghana statistics data number 14.7% unemployment. What's tripia? Who's a man a dozen? It's in a man for customers.
Yeah.
Antinamo customers because they are susceptible, they are vulnerable. What me maso? They are using the not.
Yeah.
I quite say.
Sure.
You won't crab me Korebu Ghana, your friend NEET. Not in education, not in employment, not in training. Your school doma in home.
Yeah.
Your cover be a swaguma in home. Your cover be a regular in home. How you 2 million? Or stupid data? Am I 1.2 million? Am I 700,000?
Sure.
Yempeduma. Maybe we will do my cocoa, Yana Kakrabi, not a Ghana, and I had managed 5,000 sisters. Oh, cool. I'll call madam for you. Oh, or Frocran, ask from Casa. You are still been as a Ghana man, a vessel would be Obega.
Yeah.
You have to cocoa scenario in the 23. Why you cocoa sector say, better now, my energy.
Yeah.
I got us here. So let's fix our country. And when we fix our country, many of our teeny youth will have no business going to these countries. Okay, racism. Look now 50 years, and your personally be a uncommon. That is the truth. So the African leaders applaud the speech, but they need to fix it because South Africa. So my folks are all kind of community near them, xenophobia no way. But they forget, say. For Mandela to even secure independence, he came to the political mecca of Africa, then which is Accra.
Yeah.
But to be done, or something no way to be as a referee, and I'm attacking. So young Cassava will internally are racist towards each other.
Sure.
Agwamebwa. Nigeria ni a crime and Nigeria for them Sakawa for. Yan can kuma. Ya hono ye. You for we ourselves the year. Takoko yan fire win to 2 years.
Yeah.
Yan fire win to 2 years. Now go 2. Me kanasaka omokono obia nse government communications so mo meka say nipa say na eko list of the buy no nipa eko akokwa me list no be 10 years 11
okay
after you who pictures bi nkofo bi ko bi maybe me said about the chichiri. Omu ya dene koi.
I'm hoping that you're self-sponsored. I'm hoping.
Ahokwa enye ahogati. See, this emana
na ankoye saade.
Akwa na azuzu a.
Ankoye saade a.
I can say me ka azuzu atiase.
Yeah.
Eba yama miskafu ni bi no.
Ah, okay.
Ana na makokwa sa akokwa wo tu kwan akwakra. Me no na ye adwuma. Se na na mu ni Saturday.
Yeah.
Ana wo ko no. Wo ba na so kire me page so Eugene me kwakra o na. Ntimi no ko. Akokwa tie ni ntimi no ko.
Right.
To dem nko na ko. What I say na me ba. Ye wo bi an so ba me bom. Ade ti na cha picture no ofa ne koy.
There's my need no crunch.
Exactly.
First point.
And I always say something there. The John Mahama last 4 years, they need to tread cautiously.
Right. Okay.
It's out of candor and respect.
Sure.
Obia meshaw seboy amane se wo ko be. Ministers na ko bia mini program oko US General and I've been part of model UN before. Sidelines and nyama bebre na koso health. To for how we say some bebre. Don't you ko ni program. You na ade letter back. So chief of staff could be. Health minister could be. President Mahama could be. Madam Joyce Bawa could be. Could to the normal obeko. Na open a shelter for let them. Now for you say constituency youth organizers. Go board CEO. Any other people who are not on the list what do you do as a maybe I will bet you say we na come but you say then I will must call it.
Okay. Say be a woman call mo kwan or edru or no man who say
you know I'm getting to. I buy na sometimes element bo mo kasa dodo.
Yeah.
Anya some girls you could them dey kasa dodo. Okay, be ntiase. When you're in position, know when to shut up, know when to speak. Learn from auto forcing.
Yeah.
O kind of budgety. I bet you go city call joy what in interview go. But can if you at Satan was a white katan and I'm sunyane ye quiet town home meetings.
Quotations.
All you so bad also. Shut up.
Right.
I'm not here. That's my second point.
Right.
The third point for me
very mommy
is now who trend to be in this government. I think we need to applaud it. When the president mama took on the direct dividend be.
Okay.
Now who GIPC NASDAQ was a day on call Japan. Also in fact a kwana here from Santas Runabout, which is 3 kilometers, 3.1 kilometers, 17.5 million euros. Also Santas Runabout 100 maybe dual carriage. Then they do an intersection to link to Asokwa.
Sure.
A part of that Japanese shape, no. Okay. 17.5. Now I'm fair. Came a boss. I got 17.5 million euros.
Wow.
It's a dividend. Quite important.
Utu kwan sem fa soba.
For soba. Only the year kwan from 2018 to 24. Mama starting somewhere May 2026.
Okay.
Into mama kwan na till 1st November to move.
Say no dey anya besia.
There be a grant. How come you no and can't Muhammad Banvenchi me who we am say okay 750 as the exim bank facility. Okay, that's it.
Yeah.
What's that can you charge $30 million. Okay. See if you can complete so full interchange. Okay. But what require me 3.1 kilometers, 17.5 million pounds, euros, equivalent to about $20.5 million. Oh, maybe I'm econo. MT basic dine, 6 unit office toilet proper toilet facility ni bibia. CCDs. Abambe sibi, ye mo so papa bia paint basa bi ni esi 15 CDs.
Piak report no. What you want them? Next week.
Na ko kwanu.
Hwehwemi on that street F no ne ade no.
Ye man say ya, akoko better manage do be sia.
Me da say Eugene Osei-Tutu the fact checker. Eti ye di hu dwuma na okọ corruption no hu say ya na afi na mekra no. She say ase de no ma bi ye no hu say ase discrepancies no. Me aka brofo kakraka na ye me style bi. Abusua ye ba ye ntie mampani